Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of grilled asparagus, where simplicity meets flavor. Give them a quick rinse, then snap off those woody ends. They'll break naturally where tenderness begins. Toss them in some olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and for a bit of freshness, a sprinkling of fresh lemon juice. Preheat the grill until it's sizzling hot, then lay down those asparagus spears, cooking for just 5 to 7 minutes, turning them occasionally. Then plate and enjoy.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something